here at the flood shrine, hoping this storm, this thunder I'm hearing happens. We're so desperate for rain. Oh, there's some lightning. Good sign, good sign. There's a severe storm on the way, but we really need the rain, so yeah, come on, hit us. Yeah, those are the sounds I want to hear. Oh yeah, I hear the rain. I'm starting to get some droplets on me, so that's good. I haven't felt rain in a while. Oh, I'm really hoping it comes through. Oh yeah, that lightning's starting to flash. Oh yeah, it might be time to retreat up to the house. But yeah, this better be a good rain, good storm, because the tanks, they've got like nothing in them. We are so desperate for this rain. Alright, well, it should be almost upon us, hopefully. There's a big patch on the way. Yeah, well, let's just hope it gives enough rain to hold us over for a bit. The plants also here desperately need it. They're dying slowly. What little water I can give them here and there has got them through, but they need something more. Alright, there's starting to be a lot of lightning, so fingers crossed. Fingers crossed this is the storm that gives us our water back. If this storm doesn't hit us, we're going to be in some serious trouble regarding water and our plant's health. In fact, all of Project Overgrowth down here at the encampment has been pretty much halted from the lack of rain, so nothing's really changing, nothing's really growing over, so let's hope this rain can bring our plants back from the brink of death. Here's hoping. Hey Larry. Yeah, let's hope so. Alright, it's starting to get pretty dark with all these clouds rolling in, and it's only 3:31 in the afternoon. Usually the sun's still out blazing hot. But yeah, I'm getting Cyclone Alfred vibes down here. Also, don't mind this. Just recording a little Halloween short. Yeah, I'm gonna start heading out of the encampment up to the house. And yeah, let's hope this thing hits soon. I need like a new set of signs to put up down this end to say out of bush this way now that I've moved the bridge location. And hopefully, you know, this fills the creek up quite a bit. So in case it does, I'm going to show you just like how low the water has got down here by the bridge quickly. Yeah, so we come to the bridge here. You can literally, I know I showed this off I think in the last episode, but it's dropped even lower since. It's a little bit harder to see because of how dark it's getting down here. But yeah, it is very low down. It's crazy. So hopefully it's bumped up a bit. Crazy how from the start of the year we went from too much rain to begging for more. It's crazy how things can just change like that. But hey, I don't think there's going to be as much rain to put the flood tent to use, thankfully. Because that would be a little bit too much rain. Cyclone Alfred was bad enough. Let's not do that again. It'll happen again one day, but it won't be today. It rained. It was a good storm. Whew. Wish it lasted a bit longer though, but hey, I'll take what I can get. Alright, it's officially a day later. That storm was good, although I do wish it lasted longer. And I'm coming down now to go see if anything's changed or improved in the encampment. Yeah, I didn't do it yesterday because I was working right through the storm, right in the middle of it, building a new fence up at the house. So yeah, that was quite the experience, working right through the storm there. It was quite fun, honestly. And yeah, there's a bit more water in the creek. Definitely, not a lot, but hey, it's a bit more, so it's something, I guess. Looks like we're going back to no rain, though, it seems. So it was a little something, but in the grand scheme of things, it's just not enough. It does seem like all the plants down here did really enjoy it, though. The pond has some water! Oh, yeah. So much. Woo. Well, it's not a lot, but honestly, at this point, I guess we'll just have to settle for whatever the world gives us, but a bit more, I guess, could have been nice, but oh well. Just have to do our best to make what we get work. Hello, fellas. Well, now that that lovely storm's come through, it's time we work on a little something. Now, if you remember back to before I moved the encampment, if you've been around for that long, I had a little seat against some trees. And, well, it got destroyed when the fire break was put in, but I want to recreate it today with a little bit of enhancements. So, I've already picked out a good spot. Let's go see what we can do. This is the spot by the OG tent that I'm going to put it. Thought it'd be pretty fitting to build the OG seat from the OG tent by the recreation of the original tent. That seems fitting. So it's going to go here. And what I'm going to do differently this time is I want to get a piece to put on this side as like a kind of backrest thing to encourage you to keep your back straight when sitting. And I'm going to be cutting up most likely this log here, which has fallen on the storage tent, and using that as our wood. Hopefully this should be a good candidate. Anyways, let's measure up, see how much we're going to need, and get to cutting. Alright, the seed is done, but the real question is it going to stay up? Because these trees just wouldn't let me drill in. They were painful. They don't like me, and they never have, so I don't know what I expected, but let's see. Did I just complete another bushcraft fail? Or did I actually whip up something good here? To be honest, either is pretty possible. Maybe leaning more towards the fail side, because that's normally what happens when I try to do something. But hey, let's sit on it and give it a try. And hopefully not just plummet to the ground. Hopefully we can keep it up long enough to at least get a thumbnail. So that'd be great. Here goes nothing. Oh, it's actually... I'm impressed. It's actually pretty solid. Huh. Well, what do you know? I actually put something together for once. Yeah, I quite like this. Well, I'd say today's been pretty successful then. We had a nice little storm, put together a nice little seat in memory of the old one we used to have. Maybe a little bit more patchworky, but overall still just as functional. So, I guess that's going to leave it off here for today. The cicadas are slowly coming out again. So that's great, it's going to get noisy, but what do you do? But yeah, hopefully in the next episode Liam and Will can be over. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that's what the next episode will be. That's what I'm going to try for at least. But yeah, got a nice little seat done here. I know I said I'm not really adding anything to the encampment, but I just got the idea, thought I'd mess around with it a bit and have some fun. So yeah, I've got a cool little seat now, I guess. But yeah, that'll be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, do subscribe for more bush life. Who knows where my bushy adventures will take me next, you know. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. I just took the thumbnail. I look awkward as frick in it. We're keeping it. Oh, I look so awkward in it. Fits me perfectly. I am awkward. Very awkward. You ever talk to me IRL? Most awkward person you could ever talk to. Yeah. Thanks, social anxiety. You're great. I just noticed, though, my cheeks, they look a lot more rounder than usual, you know? They don't look as like... My face looks different. I can't quite put my finger on it. It just looks different. Anyways, I'm gonna... I'm gonna end the video now.